is Chavi. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a very fun challenge wherein my friends will pick my outfit. So I sent this message to all of my friends and मैंने सारी चीज़ें categories में divide कर दी जैसे कि tops, bottoms, footwear, makeup, accessories. So I had a lot of them. So I sent this message to all of my friends and they had to choose. तो मैंने उनको options दिए थे हर category में and they had to choose one thing. Alright, so yes. That is it. They don't know कि दूसरा क्या pick करेगा. So this outfit will be very random or I don't know, it might sync as well. So yes, if you are interested, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I have literally zero expectations. So starting up, first category is tops. So tops, I asked my friend Mayank to pick out for me and I gave him these options: strappy top, crop t-shirt, graphic t-shirt, shirts, and fancy crop tops. So I gave him all of these options and he chose a strappy top or graphic t-shirt. So he gave me an option. I am really glad because I think I can switch according to my outfit. So that being said, I will pick a strappy top because I think it is safe. Graphic t-shirts में that is also safe, but I don't know, colors का कुछ mess up हो सकता है. So for my strappy top I picked this one right over here. It's from H&M and it's a very beautiful sage green color. I haven't worn it once, like literally I haven't even tried it, and it's in size XL. So today I'll know कि ये मेरे को fit भी होता है या नहीं, and I bought it like 3 to 4 months back. So yeah, information that no one asked for. Anyhow, so this will be the top. Moving on to the next category, we have bottoms. Bottoms के लिए I asked my friend Yatin to pick up for me and these are the options that I gave him. I don't remember, so you can see here. So he picked up trousers, and for trousers I have this one over here. It's a very beautiful brown checkered print trouser and I really like it. Like, this is so freaking beautiful, very vintage. So I picked up this one and I think this will go well with this. I don't know, like I seriously don't know. मैंने बहुत randomly उठा ली हैं चीज़ें, मैंने ज़्यादा सोच के नहीं उठाया. जो भी ऊपर थे मैंने सब वही उठा लिए क्योंकि obviously I do have a lot strappy tops and a lot of bottoms, a lot of trousers. तो मैं उसमें cheating नहीं करना चाहती थी कि मैं sync करके उठाऊँ. So जो भी ऊपर था I picked up that. So this is the strappy top and this was the trouser that I found ऊपर रखा हुआ. So I think this will go okay-ish with it. I don't know, like I'm not so sure. So yes, that is for trousers. Let me just wear this, okay? Let me wear this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've changed and this is what the top looks like. I think it is a little bit loose. It is loose. And then I have these trousers. So I think it goes okay-ish. I won't wear it खुद से, but ऐसा भी नहीं है कि बहुत ही बुरा लग रहा है. So I think it's fine. Alright, next up we have makeup, and for that I gave my friend Harman two options, nude or glam. इन्हीं दो के options थे, I think, I don't know. So yeah, and she picked up glam, which I'm not so happy about because इसके साथ it's like a very casual, lounge around type of outfit, और उसके साथ she gave me glam. Although उसको नहीं पता था कि क्या outfit है, but then too, like इतनी गर्मी में glam कौन देता है? But anyhow, that being said, I will do my makeup. I will do something glam, जो मेरे लिए glam होगा, ज़्यादा कुछ चटक भी नहीं. And yes, but before that, we also have accessories, and accessories में basically I mean jewelry. So jewelry के लिए I asked my friend Rishabh to pick up something for me. I again gave him 3 to 4 options, I guess, and he picked up beaded jewelry, which I'm so happy about. And coincidentally, I have a perfect beaded necklace for this outfit. So this is what it is. It's a very beautiful, like it's a double thing going on. So first up is this one. It's a plain green with a shell necklace. Like, it's very simple, and with that we also have this white and golden necklace going on. I think they will look really nice together. So I'll wear this, I'll do my makeup, and I'll be right back. So I'm done with my makeup and my accessories. This is what the accessories look like. I think they look so freaking beautiful. And then this is my makeup. I think this green counts in glam because I never do green. Like, seriously, So yeah, I think this counts, and I haven't done any foundation because I'm breaking out a little bit and I don't want to aggravate this at all. So yeah, that being said, I'm done with my makeup and my accessories. Moving on to the next category, that is bags. Bags के लिए I asked my friend Ruchika to pick one of these things, and this is what she chose, a pink sling bag. I like it, but I don't think with this outfit it goes really well. Like, I don't know, you guys tell me. This does add a pop of color in the outfit, but I won't pick this khud se. So I think pink sling bag it is. Next category is shoes, and for shoes I asked my friend Kavya to pick one of these options that I gave her. I gave her a lot of options. So she picked casual sneakers, and this is what we are wearing. These shoes from Bata. Let me show you. So this is what they look like. I think this goes really well with the outfit, like casual fit, as I told you. So these are the shoes that I'm going to wear with this outfit, and I really like it. Like, this is my absolute favorite. Then moving on to the last thing, we have hair, and for hair I asked my friend Ishika to pick one of these things, straight, wavy, natural. I gave her like 3 to 4 options, and she chose wavy. So my hair texture naturally is wavy, but I think we are going to do it with a straightener to give it a little bit of, you know what, spice, a little bit of dimension. So this is what my hair naturally looks like, and I think this counts in wavy. I don't know, I am not liking this at all. वो जो स्ट्रेटनर से होता है वो सुंदर लगता है, बट इट्स सो फ्रिकिंग हॉट. अब मैं स्ट्रेटनर चलाऊंगी तो मेरे को और पसीना आएगा. But anyways, I am going to do that, and I will be right back. I'll show you the whole outfit, and yeah, then let me know how you guys liked it. I think I am liking it. वो बहुत अच्छे से हर चीज़ sync हो रही है because I had some things in my hand. That being said, I did not cheat. I genuinely picked these two things, like the top and the bottom. जो पहले ऊपर रखा था वही चूज़ किया है, but I did choose this. So yes, that being said, I will show you the whole outfit and my hair in just a bit. Okay, so I'm done with my hair as well, and this is how it's looking. This is the max that I could do right now. Yeah, so these are the waves, and that is it. I'll wear my shoes and my bag, and I'll show you the whole outfit. This is the whole outfit, and I like it. This is looking pretty.
You've been a good friend, and that's through the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
So yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. You know the drill, and I will meet you in my next video very, very soon. Until then, goodbye.